Good morning.
Hi.
Actually, you win the contest today. I was playing a game to see who would actually be nice this morning, and you win.
Oh, I do?
Oh,
Oh,
so,
thanks.
everyone has been so grumpy today.
Really?
I don't understand, and I'm like, good morning, and they're like, so you
Thanks.
win. It's on me today.
Oh,
I'll have
yay.
it right out
Thank you
for
so much.
Turn it up,
What's it called? What's it called, buddy?
Red-winged blackbird.
I have to tell you, my 5-year-old just told me that that's a red-winged blackbird, which I think is hilarious. That my 5-year-old,
yesterday.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
that he knew that.
Yeah,
That's
have a
my
good
favorite
one.
thing.
So you win what?
She brought my coffee for me. Oh, that's great. Made my day. What a good day it's going to be. Yay.
Okay, Mom. All the way to town. The butts on the butts, 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 butts. So